Welcome. If you wanna change notification settings on your MEIZU M8 Lite, click on the settings. Now we have to scroll down and tap on the notifications and status bar. Click on the notification management, and here you can just adjust your notifications for every application. For example, for the Chrome, you can just permanently turn it off. And also here we can manage the notification on the lock screen and also the lock screen sounds. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.